Hey everybody, my name is Matthew Adama, aka Bassmatics. Today I want to welcome you to this platform, Bassmatics Bass World. And we're going to be treating two things today: approach to contemporary gospel music and chops and licks that could be applied in contemporary gospel songs. And I'm going to be doing the applications as well. But before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. I hope we all know that subscription is free of charge. It's just a click away, boom, and you've subscribed. And then turn on your notification so whenever I put up a video, you can always get a notification firsthand, okay? And feel free to comment, like, and share this link, all right? So let's go. I'm going to be using a popular contemporary gospel song, Oh Give Thanks. I'm going to be using my F to play it. I will play the song with the licks, then I'll break it down, okay? What I did first of all was to lock the groove, like for His worthy, worthy, for He is good, for He is good. Okay, I did Fi to substitute for Re, and this case what I did was to major my Re, my 2. I played it like a Do. So normally Do will have, one will have Do, Mi, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. But this Re, I majored it, so I now had, instead of, it's now Re, Fi, La, Fi, Re. So, but in my case, I did, for He is worthy, worthy, worthy. So, Mi, Fa, Fi, Re, Do, La, So, Fi, Re. La, So, So, Do. It's just like you playing Fa, Mi, Do, To, So, Fa, Mi, Do. But the note I was hitting was So, Mi, Fa, Fi, Re, Do, La, So, Fi, Re, So, So, Do. But when you're playing, make sure everything you're going to hit should be in between the interval. Before you hit your next chord, your next progression, make sure you finish your licks. So don't overshoot it or too short. Calculate it and make it accurate when you're doing your chops. For He is worthy, worthy, worthy. I can do different things. So I could decide to do something else with the same Re major. Let's go. Are you ready? Okay, anytime you're going to re, you can substitute it for that fee. That is to make re your major. When you make it your major, I did something like. Oh, give thanks. This normally is mi so do mi so do mi so do mi so do. It's a circle, but right now I'm doing fi la re fi la re fi la re fi la re fi la. Okay, you understand? Then at some point I did some. This is me. If you have do, there's ti, there's la, there's so, there's fa, mi. So I was opening. I know if you're trying it on your bass, on your instrument, you'll be like on F sharp, that you can't find open mi, that is fa you get. But my bass is tuned -1. So everything is different for me because I did it for something. All right, mi, fa. Okay, so that's how it works. There was a time I played something like. Alright. What I played there is still the same as that. It's the same as everything is the re major. I did. This is fi, re, re. Imagine me doing mi for do. That's what I just did. Re major. So at that point, re is now your major. That's just what I was trying to explain. And I hope you learned something today. If you did, please feel free to comment, ask questions, and I'm going to respond. I'm going to answer. Maybe in my next video, I will type it. Okay? I love you guys. I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. It's just free of charge, just to click, boom, and you've subscribed. Why don't you do that for me right now? That's my request. Subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.